ketone bodies. Okay, to name a ketone, as we already know, the functional group is C double bond O. I have put R and R dash, that means hydrocarbon chain is attached here, and C double bond O is the functional group and the name will be one. This is the suffix for ketone. The suffix for ketone is one. Now, let us take a chain, okay, a structure of ketone so that we will understand this better. So, let me draw a structure. I'll take again a 5 carbon compound. Here, let me put a double bond O here. So, this is the functional group. And as usual, I have already taken only alkane. So, you have to know that everywhere the hydrogen is being bonded with the carbon. So, here 1, 2, 3, 4, the valency is satisfied. So, no more hydrogen there. So, this is the structure. How to give the IUPAC name of this particular compound? As I have already told you, the functional group should be given the lowest number. So, we have to start numbering first. So, from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The one more doubt the students will have is whether the functional group carbon has to be numbered. Definitely it has to be numbered. Now, what is the number of the carbon here? 5. What is our 5? It is pentane. 5 it is pentane. Now, what is our suffix? On. Our suffix is on. Again, remove the E. What is the position of this particular C double bond O or the ketone? It is 2. So, instead of E and plus, you can put a 2 here. Then write it as usual. Pentanone. Pentan 2-on. This is the IUPAC name. Suppose you have any other branches, it will come as a suffix. Imagine we have a branch at this position. Let me take a branch at this position. So, this is the 4th position. You have a methyl group. So, you will have the name as 4-methyl. No, let me put it along with this. It will be 4-methyl pentan 2-on. So, it will be 4-methyl pentan 2-on. I am repeating, the suffix for ketone is on. So, for naming it, you have to name in such a way that C double bond O gets the lowest number possible. So, and here the name, you can write the root word there, and plus on you have to add. So, 2 vowels are there, you are cancelling E. So, instead of this plus and this E, you have to write the position of this. So, it becomes pentan 2-on. Again, I have added a substituent, and now the name is clear like this.